keep having to scoot as soon as I start filming. Go figure. Hello, I'm Reed, and this is Reed's Beauty Trip. And you're gonna see this look for just a couple of days. I do apologize. This should be the end of them. But this is my Glossybox unboxing for March. So I've noticed that I don't really see the Glossybox unboxings anymore, and it's such a shame. But I do enjoy mine. Is it as ta-da and as big as like some of the other subscription boxes? No, but that doesn't matter. So, oh, sorry. So we got the pink Glossybox. But they did get some stuff in there that I really, really liked. Last month I got my gold lip mask, some other things. And I'm kind of excited about this one because I'm pretty sure it has some things I really like. It's gonna go in a one of them is gonna go in a giveaway because I have already own it. I actually own 2 of it. But it's, oh my gosh. So this one, the theme is all eyes on me. So I'm excited. It says you're in the spotlight, Glossies. So let's start with this. So the first one we're going to talk about is like the Ico mascara, which with that squeezy tube and stuff, it is fascinating. It does have a curled wand and everything. It's not a bad size. Everything goes with black mascara is what it's called. So that's that one. Which Ico, I have some Ico products and I think I really like them and stuff. So I don't think I have a problem with that at all. So the deluxe mini worth, they actually have the mini worth and stuff, is $14. The full size is $26. Okay, so the next one is the Ciate London. Now, I have seen this. This is the Stamp and Drag, and it's not on a review. And I'm a do my liner and go, but I do know some people have some problems with doing their liner and stuff. So, this is something for when people are practicing and stuff like that. It's got a very fat felt tip, so doing a very dramatic eye, I can see that. And then if you need to do the diamond, that kick out, it is. I don't think it was well received. But for people that are learning and mastering it, that need to do that, I think it has potential. Is it something that I probably would use? Probably not. Then we have tweezers, full-size tweezers from Shop Basic Beauty. So it's from Basic Beauty. They're cute, they're pink, but I have a vintage woman one and stuff like that. But these things, they're cute. They're just cute. I mean, is it something you're going to go gung-ho over getting? Probably not, but I'm not complaining. Like I said, I always lose my tweezers. I don't know about you guys, but I have tweezers all over this house. I can't find them half the time. I have one pair that I keep track of at all times because it's literally the shape of a vintage woman that I got from Soap and Glory, and I love them. So the next one is the Main Club. Now, I just discovered Main Club in January, and I actually have, and I love this one, the Crybaby. I have the Crybaby, and I love these. These are just fun. They're trendy. They're kitschy, whatever you want to call it. Crybaby by Main Club. When your deep conditioner says repairing, but you're still broken on the inside. So they're just like fun. It says junk-free formula, scent crushed fruits, and stuff like that. This one I don't have, and I haven't played with this one. This one's called Bad Attitude. So I'll be, you know, it's like, sorry, I can't hear you over the volume of my hair. I haven't seen this one. It's not one of the 3 that I have. 5-in-1 deep conditioner. junk-free formula, and it's sweet and spicy. It even has some stuff on the back. So this is a lot like how Soap and Glory is about this. Hey babe, we'll help keep your attitude and your hair in check with this conditioning pack. Then the pink one, because I didn't know they said stuff on the back. You can tell I didn't pay attention to the ones I've got. Hey babe, turn that frown upside down, wash your worries away, and treat yourself to this conditioning pack. So I'm excited about these. Now, the one that is like one of my huge addicts, I am a huge sleek highlighter palette addict. I have all their highlighters except one, and the reason I don't have it is it's not in the States yet. But I will be ordering it once it's available, because I love sleek. I love the highlight pen, and this is the copper plate. This one is darker for me, so I actually use this more for a bronzer topper and stuff when I'm bronzing my face. So I use it more for just giving a little bit of glow to my bronzer if I want that extra shine and stuff for it, for the thinning this down. But I love this one, and I'm so excited that I got it. It's definitely going in my 200 subscribers giveaway box, because I have 2 of them personally. So a third one, I really don't need a third one. So I have, you know, my normal one, and then I have my backup. And so I don't need my backup to my backup. So I'm definitely going to give this to a subscriber and stuff. So there's, you know, some for that. All in all, I already have the sleek one, but to have that in the goodie bag, the goodie box, that, I love that. Like I said, it's a highlighter one, but it is the copper is the richer color. It's darker, but it's, like I said, I use it more for bronzing, but I love it. I do. I just love it. The hair mask things, Main Club is just, I love the kitschiness, the fun little comments and things like that. They have dry shampoo also that it's like broke the internet or something like that. They're just so funny. So I really enjoy the crybaby lines and stuff. The tweezers, I always need tweezers. I lose them constantly. I probably have 10 or 12 pairs somewhere in this house. It is what it is. Or in my purses, or somewhere in the bathrooms, in other places. I have no idea. The mascara, the Ico mascara. I have a lot of mascara, but I'm not scared to try new ones. I have a couple that I still, if I ran out, if I had absolutely no mascara and I had to purchase a mascara, there are a couple that are like, ooh la la. Ico's not one of them, but I haven't tried it, so it's one of those I have to check and see. The Ciate, the Stamp and Drag Liner Duo, for me, it's not a need or necessity, but for other people, especially when you're learning more of the dramatic cat's eye and really playing with your eyes and doing that more heavy dramatic look, I think it's perfect for you. There's nothing wrong with having that. So I think potentially it's a great learning tool for ones that can't quite get that flick right, which some people have that problem. There's nothing wrong with that. So it's a definite like box of things, and like I said, they're the face thing, the eye thing. You know, all eyes are you. You're in the spotlight. You know, it's like the mascara, the liner for Ciate, and the tweezers. I assume for like your brows and stuff for this general area. You know, they've got 3 of those products: hair product, highlighter. To me, it's a bronzer topper, and stuff. Has potential. So that's my March Glossybox. I'm not disappointed. There's a couple things, like I said, that aren't my jam, but one thing out of 5, that's not bad. Beauty tool, highlighter, hair product, hello, I now have to do stuff more with my hair. It was long, pull it down. Those conditioning 5-in-1s, they'll take forever for me to use. There's not much here, just on the top and in the back. So as long as they don't like make my hair grow faster. We're already having this issue where it's a little fuzzy, but it's growing quickly. But I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Please comment below if you liked it. Please like it, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.